Did you know that there is a possibility that your cat would eat your body when you die? The question has crossed most cat owners' minds, at least once. Would their sweetly purring feline ever eat me? In cases where these people owned dogs, their pets would usually go several days without resorting to eating the owner's body. However, a cat would only wait a day or two. The phenomenon is called post-mortem predation. There are documented cases of cats eating their dead owners. Once the owners have died, they're another carcass.